All right, in this video, we're going to do example number 1 from 2.7, where we're going to take a word problem, we're going to translate it into an inequality, and then we're going to solve. It says here in example 1, to cater a party, Papa Rauch's charges $50, a $50 setup fee, plus $15 per person. The cost of Hotel Pharmacy's end-of-season softball party cannot exceed $450. How many people can attend the party? All right, let's read that again carefully. I noticed that there was a $50 setup fee plus $15 per person. And we don't know how many people, that's what we're trying to find. So you could use P for person if you wanted to, or X for person if you wanted to. Let's go ahead and start making an equation here, or an inequality. $50 plus $15 per person. So I can say 50 plus $15 per person, per P, right? And then it says here that it cannot exceed, so that's the cost, and it can exceed 450. So 450 is my limit. Now it can equal 450, but it has to be less than or equal to 450. So there's where I'm going to put my inequality, not just an equal to sign, but it can be less than 450. It just can't be more than 450. So now I have an inequality that says 50 plus 15p has to be less than or equal to $450, right? And now I can solve and figure out what P is. How many people can attend this party if I have a budget of $450? Let's go ahead and solve by subtracting 50 to both sides. Let's go ahead and get rid of the 15 by dividing both sides by 15. Now I didn't multiply or divide by a negative, so I don't have to switch my inequality. And I end up getting P is less than or equal 26.66666, and it kept going, right? Okay, now think about this. What did P represent in our equation or our scenario, our story? P was the number of people, right? And so when I get this inequality that says P has to be less than or equal to 26.6, I can't round up to 27 because that would be too much. And I can't have 0.6 of a person. So it only makes sense to round down in this problem because it's a word problem and have a final answer that says you can have at most 26 people attend your party, or 26 people or less attend your party. Not 27 though, that would be too much. So at most 26 people can attend your party.